Hey there, it's Jennifer White with the MJW Group, and today I wanted to share some tips about data. So, when we're working with clients, we normally get the cliche line of it's in the data. They say it's in the data. First of all, who is they? And second of all, what data are you talking about? There are various levels of data that one can analyze. So we harp on data quite a bit because data tells a story, data tells the truth, it contains one source of the truth, and data doesn't lie. So when you're looking at data and you're analyzing data, first you have to decide what it is that you are actually looking for in order to go sift and sort, cleanse, or manipulate data, right? So if you don't even know what you're looking for, like what is your end goal with all of this data that you have, data's not going to tell you anything. It's just going to look like numbers and characters on a sheet. So I would definitely say is my number one tip if you're looking at mounds of data. And now that we have so much of it readily available to us, figure out what it is that you're trying to achieve first, then go look for it in the data. I hope this tip helps you. Thanks for watching.